fucking keep him in the car.
So listen to me. Listen.
No.
Either. So we're trying to figure out what happened. Okay.
I already told you what happened.
Okay. So you have two choices. You can go back over there, or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs and put you in his car.
Put me in handcuffs.
Okay. That's fine. Turn around for me.
No. No.
Let
I'm
go.
sorry.
Let go. What's up, man? Come here real quick. Shut that down for me. Turn around for me. What's going on?
Deputies responded after receiving reports that a man and woman were physically fighting near the roadway. Witnesses claimed the couple had been choking and assaulting one another. But once officers arrived, both immediately began downplaying what had happened.
What's going on with y'all? Huh? Were y'all just fighting? Yes?
Oh.
Yep. I'm gonna detain you for just a second, okay?
What?
Yeah.
Hey, sir.
Hold on. Don't be yelling.
Hey, boss.
Hey.
Like, I didn't do anything, man.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna figure.
Didn't. I was just.
Okay, so we got a call that both of y'all were fighting and choking each other.
No, she was hitting me in the fucking face.
Okay.
And grabbing my fucking face and shit, which is alright.
40-27 now.
But she's been drinking a little bit.
So she'll probably go in handcuffs too.
She's been drinking a little bit, so.
What was it over?
A bunch of shit, man. So, we got bad news lately about her thyroid, because she's my wife. We went to the hospital. We actually got good news, but bad news about her hand. They said it wasn't broken, but there was nothing they could do about it. It was broken before. So, she got upset about that, and all kinds of stuff happened. I had to pull off on the side of the road because she wouldn't put her seatbelt on. I wouldn't move until she put her seatbelt on. I don't want to fucking pay a ticket.
Alright, let me talk to her real quick. Slide in there for a second. And then I'll come talk to you, okay?
I talked to her and she said that they were just arguing. Nobody actually put hands on each other.
Oh, he's already said she hit him in the face and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I'm just.
Put him in the car?
Yes, relax for a sec. He's not.
No.
He's not under arrest right now. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
There's no reason for this. We were in an argument. There was no physical contact. Okay. It was just verbal.
Why is your face red?
What?
Your face looks a little red. Like you got a mark right here on your neck. Yeah.
Stop. It's not anything.
Okay. What if I have witnesses that say otherwise?
You don't have witnesses.
Okay. I mean, we didn't just show up for no reason.
Hey, I get that, but can you guys just let us go? It was just a...
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
It was just... There was nothing there. It was honestly just a misunderstanding. That's it.
Okay. What were y'all arguing over?
I found out today that I have cancer.
Okay. So that's stressful.
And we're just really stressed out about it.
That's completely understandable.
I did find out today though.
Okay. Are they wanting you to do some kind of treatment?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. We just left the hospital.
934.
When we came in here. So, I'm just trying to deal with things, and I'm probably not dealing with them very well, and it was my fault.
Okay.
It had nothing to do with them. I'm just really upset about, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
When you find out you have cancer, it's kind of a thing.
So, help me understand, obviously it escalated at some point.
Right.
Okay. Why are people saying it got physical? Like that y'all were trying to choke each other and stuff like that?
Because of the keys, probably? The keys? We were not out of this car.
Were y'all fighting?
So it was fighting over the keys. But it was not physical. Like us, you know what I mean?
Okay.
It was just the keys. That's it.
At this point, the woman admits that there was a struggle over the car keys. Yet she continues insisting that no assault occurred. Officers are now comparing the couple's statements with witness reports and the visible marks they observed during the investigation.
Nothing like that.
Okay. Have y'all ever been...
It's just I've been super stressed when we found out today that I have it and everything. It was just a lot.
And I understand that. And he said you've been drinking a little bit, so that probably, that probably didn't help.
When you find out you have cancer, you kind of want to drink, right?
I get that.
Yeah, I have it. Okay. I don't know how bad it is, but I have it.
You're okay? You don't need an ambulance or anything?
What?
You don't need an ambulance or anything like that? You're okay?
God, no.
Okay.
If you can cure me, I do, but no.
Okay.
It's just a really stressful day.
So
there's nothing.
Hear me out. So he never put his hand on you?
No, he did not.
You never put your hand on him?
No, it was not like that. The only thing that I can tell you is the keys. When we were, you know what I mean? Like when we were doing like this with the keys. That's it.
Okay.
Just a second, Trey. Hey, so explain to me and Deputy, my other partner, what's going on. Hold on 1 second.
No.
Hold on, Trey.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer right now. Get my freaking husband out of the fucking car. You have no fucking right to fucking keep him in the car.
So listen to me.
No.
So we're trying to figure out what happened. Okay.
I already told you what happened.
Okay, so you have two choices. You can go back over there, or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs and put you in his car.
Put me in handcuffs.
Okay.
Moments earlier, deputies had only detained the husband while trying to determine what actually happened. But after repeatedly interrupting the investigation and refusing commands to step back, the woman's behavior quickly escalated the encounter into a physical arrest.
No! No,
Let go.
Sorry!
Let go. Let go. Let go.
I'm sorry!
Put your other hand. Put your other hand. I did give you a chance. Got her. Yep. Well, that makes it easy.
Yep. God damn it, you fucking assholes! I said I was sorry! I said okay!
And I gave you a chance to walk back over.
I said okay! God damn it! No!
Is your purse around her arm?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to take off. Chill out. Chill out. Do you want to get sprayed?
Fuck you!
Stop. Stop.
Stop kicking. Stop kicking. Take a deep breath and relax.
Relax. Relax.
Can you calm down so we can sit you up?
We were about to stand you up.
Hey, can you calm down so we can sit? Can you relax for a sec so we can get you up? Okay.
Stand up, okay?
Here. Oh. Do you want to?
I have epilepsy though.
Okay.
If I clench up.
Hey, kid, listen. Okay, hold on. Hey, don't move for a sec. Don't move for a sec.
I'm not.
I'm gonna take this one off for a sec. Keep your hand right there, okay? Are you hurt anywhere?
Yes.
What hurts?
My knee.
Okay, let's stand up and then we'll fix these.
My wrist.
Okay.
Well, that's why I was trying to tell you to stop kicking and stuff. All right, let's get you up, okay? I got you. Come on.
Let's get your other shoe.
Get your other shoe. Here. Stand right here for a sec. What's this always happen with me and you?
I have no idea.
Guys, I'm fine if you just let me go. I didn't do it. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
I was just trying to...
Hold on. Stay still. I'm trying to...
I promise I wasn't doing anything. I promise.
There we go. Is your cuffs?
Nope.
There one? My other one's on him. Okay. Alright, let's walk over.
No, you're taking me to jail? Seriously?
No, I told you I was gonna put you...
What the fuck? Fucking piece of shit.
Have a seat. Get in the car for me. Hey, get in the car. Ma'am, stand up and get in the car. You're gonna get more charges. Like, it's...
God damn it, stop it! It hurts!
Okay, can you stand up and act civilized?
Yes,
Okay,
it hurts.
Go ahead.
According to investigators, Witness statements and evidence gathered at the scene led deputies to conclude that a domestic violence incident had taken place. The woman was ultimately charged with simple battery related to domestic violence, along with obstructing an officer during the investigation.